How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Jack.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What time is it?
It's 3.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
How do you travel to work?
I take the bus.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly, here you are.
What's your favorite
My favorite color is blue.
Have you been to London?
No, I haven't been there yet.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What's your favorite?
I love pizza.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm not busy now.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
What's your favorite movie?
I like action movies.
Would you like some coffee?
No, thank you.
What's your favorite season?
I like.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, there's one across the street.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy playing tennis.
Do you have any plans for the week?
I'm going to visit my friend.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a photographer.
Can I have a glass of water?
Certainly, here you are.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it at.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
I like.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to pop.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like mathematics.
Do you have any weekend plans?
Going hiking.
You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time, and happy learning.